That last one turned out pretty good, I think. Hey guys, I wanted to take this pleasant Saturday afternoon to make a quick video while I was out on my little ride here and update you on a few things. Now, I've made no bones about the fact that I do not care for the left side exhaust. I don't really have a problem with the exhaust on this bike. I just don't care for the size of the exhaust and the left side, because it just gets in the road of things. So the next several videos I'm going to make are going to be all centered around how I'm going to deal with that issue. Now, I know some of you like the stock exhaust on this, and that's fine. I'm just not a fan, and it's just one of those things that I just can't live with long term on this bike. So, starting Monday, I'm taking my bike into one of the performance shops here in town, and I'm going to be putting it on a dyno, and we're going to get the stock numbers. So I'm going to try and find out what the stock horsepower and torque are on this motorcycle. And once I have that, I will be replacing the stock exhaust. So this exhaust is already ordered, it's on its way, and I hope to have that in a week or so that I can make a installation video. And that will be the part 2 of the video series on the exhaust. I will be putting this exhaust on, be taking measurements of before and after sound, and a little ride along to see what it's going to sound like. Once that is done, I'll be taking it back down to the performance shop and putting it back on the dyno for a tune and a final dyno run to see just what putting a new exhaust on does for this bike in terms of horsepower and torque, and ultimately the volume and performance of this bike. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am. If you have any questions or comments about this, please leave them down below, and let me know what your thoughts are on whether or not you think this is a good idea. I've had a number of you ask me when I'm going to do it, so I'm letting you know it's happening, and it's going to happen pretty soon. So I want you guys to please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of these upcoming videos. And still have issues talking while I'm waiting for a stop. It's amazing. Anyway, if you guys want to keep up to date with the exhaust project, please consider subscribing to the channel and watch some of my other stuff. I am working also on a channel trailer, something I've been in need of for a while. So that's coming up too. So the next 4 or 5 videos are going to be centered around the exhaust and putting together my channel trailer. So hope you guys stay tuned and check those out. And as always, guys, thank you for watching.